Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Boost, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jane.
And I'm Joseph. Hi. Today we have a very useful topic for you: how to talk about yourself.
Yes, talking about yourself is something we do every day in class, at work, or when we meet new friends.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss our future English tips.
All right, let's get started. Ready, Joseph?
Ready, let's go.
First, let's start with the basics. You can start by saying your name. For example, hi, my name is Jane.
Yes, and you can also say, I am Joseph. Short and simple.
Let's repeat together. Hi, my name is Jane. You can replace my name with yours to learn.
Next, you can talk about your age. For example, I am 18 years old.
Or you can say, I'm 20. Very short and natural.
Listen carefully. I am 18 years old. Now you repeat.
Great job. Keep practicing. Now, let's talk about your job or studies.
Yes, you can say, I am a student.
Or if you work, I am a teacher. Simple sentences.
Listen and repeat. I am a student at Harvard University.
Or I am a nurse at a small hospital.
Listen and repeat. I am a student at Harvard University.
That's excellent. You're improving already.
Next, we can talk about hobbies. This makes your talk more interesting.
Yes. For example, I like music.
Or, I enjoy reading books.
Let's try some real-life examples. My favorite hobby is drawing.
And here's another one. I like playing football.
Listen carefully and repeat. I like playing football.
Fantastic! See how easy it is to share about yourself?
Next, you can talk about your daily routine. This is very simple.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Or, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Here's a small example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Good job! You can add more. I go to school at 9 a.m.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Repeat after me. I go to school at 9 a.m.
Excellent! You're speaking clearly already.
Now let's talk about your favorite things.
Yes, you can say, my favorite food is rice.
Or, my favorite color is blue.
You can also share, my favorite singer is Justin Bieber.
Listen and repeat. My favorite singer is Justin Bieber.
Perfect. Sharing your favorites makes your conversation more fun.
Finally, we can talk about where you live. This is easy.
Yes. For example, I live in Thailand.
Or, I live in a small town.
You can even say, I live with my family. Simple and natural.
Listen carefully. I live with my family.
That's great. You're building real sentences step by step. Let's quickly review the key phrases we learned today.
Yes, you can say, Hi, my name is Joseph. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I like playing football. I wake up at 6 a.m. and I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I live in Thailand and I live with my family.
Remember to practice these phrases every day. Listening, repeating, and using them is the best way to improve.
Exactly. And now here's a fun question for our listeners. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. We'd love to read them.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing and you'll be confident talking about yourself in English.
Yes, you're doing amazing. Keep it up.
See you in the next episode of Daily English Boost.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.